For today's video, we will extracting miracle fruit. First, we used to cut it into the middle, and then we will scoop it inside by the use of spoon. By the way, this is a miracle fruit, came up from our backyard. It was then planted 2 years ago. Now, too much fruit, so we used to cook it before we drink the water from it. This miracle fruit came in our house. By the way, can bear fruit within 2 years before you planted. See, it's overripe already. And then we'll place it on a pot. So we used to cook it. It will be cooked for 30 minutes. And then, yeah, that's what I'm talking for. We just stir it up, stir and stir, so the juice will remain. And then after that, we used to take out the juice by strainer and separate those. There you go. That's the finished product.